Hey, I'm Danielle. When preparing your help content for Finn, it's important to restate questions. Restating questions helps to ensure that Finn is gathering the right information and can answer correctly and in context. In this example on the left, the article talks about how easy it is to sign up to Example App, but this can be confusing for Finn to serve to customers. By restating the question, like in the example on the right, the question and answer are super clear, making it much easier for Finn to answer in context. The same thing works when you have information specific to a particular situation, like these contact details on the left. By being vague about what the details are for, or what the context is here, it'll be harder for Finn to share these with customers. Whereas on the right, we're restating the question and being really clear about what these contact details are for and why you'd use them. To get started, why not review your existing content and then try out your own help center for free with Finn?